This is the Walensee mini action hoe, they call it. All metal design, kind of like bicycle grip handle on here. You can see it's got a little bit of play on here. It's supposed to be that way. You got 2 screws with locking threads on here, which I think is a good design because if anything were to happen to these screws, one of these screws, you know, super easy to replace. 17 inches long, and it weighs under 1 pound, about 13 ounces. Pretty simple to use. It's one of those cool tools that you can just throw in your bag with your spade and your hoe and your other stuff. And actually this thing kind of is a hoe. It's basically a weeder and a cultivator at the same time. For instance, I want to mulch this area soon. Let's get up underneath of here, and it gets up underneath of the root and pulls the whole thing out. Pretty cool. So if you're already working in the flower bed, grab this, get up underneath of the weed or whatever it is you want to pull out of here, and it works its way out. And it also kind of works as a cultivator too, and you can push dirt with it. So it's multi-purpose. Got a couple of different uses to it. Pretty neat idea, pretty neat concept. Small, handheld, lightweight. The mini action stirrup hoe. I like it.